Back in the mid-1700s, pilchard fishing and processing became a major industry in Cornwall. In one decade alone, 30,000 hogsheads of fish were caught each year in the four principal Cornish ports of Penzance, Foy, St Ives and Falmouth. I have absolutely no idea what a hogshead is, but it equates to an unbelievable 900 million fish.
Now, are you Captain Chris?
I am Chris.
Great,
yeah.
okay, nice to meet you. And you. Yeah. And is this your boat?
It is, this is the Aquila.
Brilliant,
yes.
Okay, well let's go and catch some fish.
Come on down.
Oh, I'm beyond excited.
Just be careful as you get down.
Yeah, I'm being careful.
Stand on the step there.
Hey, away, I'm on. It's going to be fine. It's all right, we're going to catch a couple of fish and we'll be back before you know it. Does he know we're going backwards?
In the 19th century, clifftop lookouts called hewers helped to locate shoals of fish. They would shout, "Hever, hever," meaning "here they are," to direct the boats to the pilchard shoals. Cornish tradition dictated that hever cake was baked by the hewers, ready for the fishermen on their return.
Go.
Brilliant.
One for you.
Lovely, thank you.
And I'll have this one.
Yeah.
Done this before?
No, of course I haven't.
Okay.
We've lost the element of surprise with these fish, haven't we?
I think we have.
We have,
yes.
Never mind.
Unwind your weight from the handle.
Yeah.
And drop the weight over the side. Okay.
I've gone wrong already.
You have indeed. Right.
Yeah.
Let's get that over there. Right.
Okay.
Use your hand on there.
Yeah.
Reel sits on top. Okay.
Yeah.
Thumb on the line.
Which way round am I?
Are you left or right handed?
Well, I'm left-handed, but I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah.
You left or right handed?
I'm left-handed. No, I'm doing
that.
But
you want to use your right hand to reel in.
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Put your right thumb on the line.
Oh, right thumb on the line.
Okay.
Yeah.
Left hand, take the lever back.
Lever back.
Yeah. And go down, gently releasing the pressure off your thumb.
Gently releasing the pressure on the front.
So it runs down at about that sort of speed.
And not burning my finger.
No, it won't burn your thumb.
Okay.
Okay. Stop it every now and again.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Sorry, I don't mean to laugh.
No.
Stop every now and again.
Right.
Lift the rod up and down. We'll see if we can catch some mackerel as bait. Okay.
Oh, I see.
So we'll get them right to the surface.
Okay. There isn't a calmer bit of sea we could get to, is there?
There is. It's called the harbour.
I'm fairly confident that Rowland will catch us some fish, so I'm heading into beautiful Looe, near the campsite. I'm looking for delicious local produce. I've heard the Quayside Fresh Farm shop will have everything I need for our meal this evening. Hi there.
Hi, thank you. Thank you. It's lovely. Cornish potatoes. There you go. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Have a lovely evening.
Bye-bye. Bye, cheerio.
This is quite calming, this bit. I like this bit.
The work is to come.
Yeah. How heavy are these fish going to be that are on the... Oh, right, yeah.
Okay,
What
so
have you
you're at the
done? What
bottom.
have you done?
Click the lever forwards.
Yeah.
Now, if you notice my rod, I've got fish on there already.
Oh, what?
Okay.
You've done this before?
I have. Just the once.
Okay.
Okay.
What, you've got them already?
Yeah. So are you on the bottom?
I don't know.
No, it's still going out.
Oh, right. Wait for me, wait for me.
Okay. Right, that's the bottom.
Is it?
No? Yes.
Yeah.
So click the lever
Click,
forwards.
I'm clicked.
That's it.
Right, come on. Come on.
Now just wait. There you go, there's fish.
Oh, yeah.
So strike the rod, set the hook.
Right, well, that to get...
And now, left hand, right hand on the reel.
Yeah.
And wind in.
Oh, my word.
And that's going to be your tea.
Good Lord. Jesus, look. It's a whopper. Ah.
So lift the rod up.
Yeah.
And wind when you're coming
Wind
down.
down, yeah.
Lift up.
Oh, yes.
Are we going 50p first fish?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Oh no, you're going to break yours. I don't want to break this stuff, mate.
So if you notice the fish are coming up there, look.
Where?
There.
Oh, God.
And there we go. Oh, a bit tangled. Left him down there while I was waiting for you. So there you go.
That's a whopper. What is that?
That's a whiting.
Oh, right. Oh,
And you've
look
got a whiting as
oh,
well.
no, I've got a tiddler. It's a tiddler compared to yours.
Okay.
Right.
I'm going to take it off and put it in there.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
And we'll put that in there. How
Right,
do you
so
like that?
Let's just reconvene it. All right. Good. And what did I
That
catch?
one you might get maybe four portions out of that one. It's a reasonable size.
And that's not a rare endangered fish, is it, that we've
No.
got to put back?
No.
All right. Good.
We would catch on an average day 3/4 of this tub
Yeah.
full of these.
I don't think he's happy about what's happening. Well, Chris, it's conspicuous by its absence. Can I say that?
Yes. Shall we move?
Well, the pubs are open. That's what I'm thinking.
And it's 6 o'clock.
Yeah, 6 o'clock. I mean, sun's over the yard arm. We've got a boat full of whiting. You know, and mackerel. We've got mackerel from earlier. I think we can retire happy.
Okay.
Yeah, Mon's going to be over the moon with what I've caught.
A 90-minute mackerel fishing trip with Captain Chris costs £12 per person, rod and reel hire included. Plenty of time to catch some delicious fish for your barbecue.
I'm going to put some potatoes on. I'm going to do a few more because I think the crew might be a little bit hungry as well. So these are just nice Cornish new potatoes. Just put them on the heat, nice bit of sea salt on them, then let them simmer for about 30 minutes. And when the water's boiling, I'm going to put a lid on them. Just pop the lid on and let them cook. Potatoes are keeping nice and warm, and I'm going to do the green beans. And now I'm going to do the mackerel. In goes a little bit of olive oil and then some butter. Just wait for that to heat up. I actually can't believe how much fish Rowland caught. I think that was amazing. It's really good if you can use a pan with ridges. It just means the fish doesn't stick to the pan. This one is a really good one because it's got nice high sides, so you can keep all the lovely olive oil butter. And what you do want to do is you want to put them skin down so that the skin gets nice and crispy, and you can see that this fish is so fresh. It's just gorgeous. Look at that. I would always cook fish outside. I wouldn't cook it in the caravan. All that hard work that Rowland went to get these. And we're just going to let them cook away. So easy. Got a bit of a thing about lime. I much prefer lime to lemon. It's a little bit softer. It's not a sharp squeeze. A little bit of lime juice. Got to try and turn them over so they don't lose their skin, because I really like their skin. Okay, Rowland, you need to get ready. And that's literally how easy it is. And it's just a really nice, easy way to cook for a family in a caravan, particularly if you caught it.
Next time on the Rivrons Caravan Adventures, Rowland tries on new work clothing and Monica throws a pot.